Pond man here. Got a call on a little pond waterfall. The lady says it's squirting water all over. So I'm going to run over there and see what's going on. We are at this little waterfall. Water's squirting out right in here where those fittings are. Not sure what the fittings are, but it's easy to dig that up and replace them. We uncovered the fitting, pulled it out. Wasn't serving any purpose. Was able to put in a little splice in there. I even got lucky enough to have that little piece of 2-inch in the back of the truck. So it's pretty simple little coupling connection going on there. So now I'm going to plug it in. See how we're doing. I've just plugged it in there to the box. Water flow is going into the skimmer. Okay, I think we got this one fixed. Had a little leak there at the fitting. Removed it, replaced it. Easy little repair. The waterfall's running good and there's no leaks. Catch you later. Okay, we got the leak fixed. The waterfall's running. Looks like it's going to be nice.